So let me tell you this. A lot of people think that you need to be a developer before you can actually build a website, but that's not true anymore. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners can actually use ChatGPT for website development, even if you don't know how to code. I have friends that are programmers, web developers, right? And actually, sometimes when we sit together, they will be like JavaScript, HTML, and others, right? And I'll be like, this is too technical. This is scary, right? So at some point, I decided to use ChatGPT to test it, to see if I can use ChatGPT to build a website. If ChatGPT can actually help me build a website as a beginner, right? I tested it, for days, and actually, the results were crazy. So let me show you what I did and my results. So first thing first, before you write any code, you need to first of all ask yourself, what type of website do I want to build, right? Whether for personal use or for business or for clients, you get. And okay, let's say in this case, let's use personal brand, right? Your business. Let's build a website for your business. Let's use that, right? Now, as a beginner, this is the first prompt you are going to put on ChatGPT. Help me plan a simple website for my business or personal brand, right? And after that, it will suggest pages like home, about, services, and contact, even KYC, that's know your customer. And trust me, this makes everything clear and even let you know what your website needs before you even start, right? Now, once you know what your website needs, here's the next step: generating website content. So instead of struggling to write content, you can use ChatGPT to do the first draft, right? You can say, write a simple homepage content for a beginner website. Now, this will give you a full website content, and once it generated it, you just have to edit it to make it sound like you. And this saves you a lot of time, especially if you are not good in writing. Now, let's talk about the parts people fear the most, which is coding. When it comes to coding, even if you don't know how to code, ChatGPT can help you with that. That's the truth. You can ask it to generate something like this: generate basic HTML and CSS for a simple website layout. Now, the truth is that you don't need to understand everything at once, right? You just have to copy, paste, taste, and learn. That's the truth. With time, you will start understanding everything naturally. Now, let's say while you are building your website, something breaks, right? Or doesn't look right. You can ask ChatGPT for help. Just copy the error or explain the problem to ChatGPT. And after that, ChatGPT explains what went wrong and how to fix it in a simple terms. You can also use ChatGPT with tools like WordPress or other website builders. You can ask ChatGPT what plugins you need, how to structure your page, or how to improve your site. So even without coding, you can still build a clean and professional website. So yeah, ChatGPT doesn't replace developers, but it makes website development easier for beginners. And it helps you plan, writing content, generate code, and fix problem. If you use the right way, it can save you a lot of times. So if you like this video, kindly like and subscribe, right? And comment on the comment section. Tell me the type of website you are trying to build, and I'll make full tutorial step-by-step video about it. Peace and love.